Hi, Ella. Do you want to say hi, Grandma? You didn't talk for us? You gonna talk? What do you think? Want to show her your new toy? Yeah. Yes. It makes noise, huh? Ella, what do you think it does? Can you push it on top? Here, watch this. You want to try? Yeah. That's fun, huh? Yes. It is fun. You want to show Grandma your new dolls? Woo! Come on over here. Sure. This is Andy. And this is Raggedy Ann. Want to show her? Do you like them? You got those from Aunt Nancy, huh? Aren't they fun? Ella, say bye-bye. Ella. Ella. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ella. Say bye-bye.